Now, here's a cause of worry for authorities in India. The Indian Council of Medical Research, or the ICMR, has said that 80% of the COVID-19 cases remain asymptomatic, which means that very few are aware that they're actually infected by the virus, as they don't show any symptoms at all. Experts believe that actually identifying patients who show no symptoms is going to be a mammoth task without large-scale testing across the country. All the details in this report.
There is an increasing sense of unease as most asymptomatic cases don't show any signs of the coronavirus, such as breathlessness, cough, high load fever or a running nose. The question that then arises is, should ICMR alter its testing criteria in India? As per the testing guidelines issued by ICMR on March 20th, all asymptomatic individuals with a travel history abroad in the last 14 days were told to home quarantine. They were only tested if they showed symptoms like fever, cough and difficulty in breathing. All family members in close contact were also put on home quarantine. Asymptomatic direct and high-risk contacts of a confirmed case were told to test once between day 5 and day 14 after contact. On April 4th, the ICMR amended its testing strategy and recommended testing for all symptomatic individuals who have undertaken international travel in the last 14 days, all symptomatic contacts of lab confirmed cases, all symptomatic healthcare workers, all patients with severe acute respiratory illness. Experts believe with growing number of asymptomatic patients, the challenge to test everyone is going to be huge.
The issue is that you cannot, test everybody at this stage because there are limitations of the kits as well as the facilities as far as testing is there.
Some experts feel the vulnerable population must be protected from those that are asymptomatic.
People with asthma, COPD, or people who are taking immunosuppressive medications for their underlying conditions. This vulnerable group of population have to stay inside a separate room or in reverse quarantine even when they are asymptomatic or even their family members are asymptomatic.
There are some who see a large number of asymptomatic cases as a blessing.
This good news is because it indicates that so far in community the severity of illness is not too bad. Okay, so majority of people are mild illness. So over a period of time, one will develop a herd immunity, and ultimately that's how the transmission stops.
The government, however, continues to skirt the question of further changes in the testing guidelines to include all.
जो हमारा टेस्टिंग क्राइटेरिया है वो काफ़ी डिटेल्ड है. अगर आप देखें उसमें सिम्टोमेटिक कॉन्टैक्ट्स जो कि लैब कंफर्म केसेस के या हेल्थ केयर वर्कर्स हैं जो सिम्टोमेटिक हैं, और साथ में एसिम्टोमेटिक अगर वो डायरेक्ट या हाई रिस्क कॉन्टैक्ट होते हैं किसी कंफर्म केस के, उन दोनों का भी प्रोविज़न किया गया है.
100 लोगों को अगर इन्फेक्शन हुआ तो उसमें से 80 लोगों को इन्फेक्शन उसमें कोई लक्षण दिखाई नहीं देता. वो दिखने को भले एसिम्टोमेटिक रहे, उसको अगर हम जांच करें तो उसकी भी टेस्ट पॉजिटिव आने का चांस रहता है.
Is it about time that the ICMR re-strategize the testing guidelines? Right now, the policy says that asymptomatic people can be institutionally quarantined. But can they be kept away from the vulnerable sections? Because ultimately, even asymptomatic people are carriers of the virus. Rajit Thakur in New Delhi, Milan Sharma for India Today.
Hi everyone, Preeti Chaudhary here. Hope you like this video. For latest news and analysis, like and subscribe to the India Today YouTube channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated. Thank you for watching.